Time check! Sawadee ka, Tokon. Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go!
ลืมถ่ายคอนเทนต์ลืมเลย
Good morning everyone! Morning Teacher Tay!
Thank you.
Morning Teacher Namtan!
Thank you.
Sawadee ka, Teacher! Sawadee ka! Make up time! Morning, Teacher. Morning, Teacher Namtan. Morning, Teacher Ming. And I'm done with my makeup. And let's go to Assembly Hall. Bon appetit! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Ready? Give me your score. 4.2. PP. 6. U. 20. Frank. 26. Namsuk. 30, 9, 15, Olympic, 21, Yacht, 8, 10, Earth, 13, Tonkla, Namchang, 12, Tonam, 23, Poo, 20, First, 17, Best, again please, 20, Yisip, 22, Paint, 31, Team, 9, Tang, Tang is absent, Boss, Atang, 13, Sip Sam, Sam Sip, 30, Boss, Boss is absent, 12, Pau, 24, Gratin, Gratin, 20, 30, Baitay, 23, Pray, Pray, Pray is absent, Fa, 16, Ink, Ink is absent, Bill, 34, Fa, 38, Cartoon, 6, Ning, 28, One Cow, 27, Eve, 30, Samsip, Prigtay, 28, Baitay, Prigtay, 25, Baitay, 30, Eyes, 26, Numpatch, 20, Yisip, 23, Yisip Sam. Okay, that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Pass all your papers. So, ka done. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Thank you, Umpiang. Ready? Give me your score. Gantawit. 20. Ford. 20. P. 10. Mortar. 23. Gan Natapon. 26. Plum. 20. Icart. 8. Ice. 7. Net. 18. J. Absent. Ompiang. Samsip. Sipsam. 13. Max. Max is absent. Win. Win is absent. Dream. 16. Gas. 17. Prewa. 7. Bam. 24. Toy. 6. Puklok. 23. 26. Champagne. 9. Ming. 19. Tonpai. 16. Palm. 2. Ay. 28. Piao. Piao. Absent. Noir. 23. Nameng. 14. Irene. 13. Piano. 13. Ing. Absent. Peer. Ha? 18. Pour. Absent. 18. Absent. Cartoon. Absent. Okay, that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Pass the papers. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Ready? Give me your score. Crush. 0. Tunbon. 1. Cham. Kun. 1. Title. 4. Folk. 1. Field. 26. Very good. Clap your hands. Sayam. 0. Tinfong. 4. Kindo. Kindo. 0. Pu. Muan. 8. Mawin. 19. Clap your hands to Mawin. Form. 0. Bank. 10. Patter. 0. Gel. 6. Jane. 7. 0. 0. Sunbright. 19. Clap your hands to Sunbright. Loisai. 31. Kegma. Clap your hands to Loisai. Tantan. Tantan. 16. Organ. 9. Ingfa. 3. Jane. 10. Kauhong. 11. Dio. 14. Kengmei. 10. Tanyong. 11. Prime. 19. Clap your hands to Prime. Kauhong. 5. Baya. Critical clap your hands to Baya. Noim. 17. Clap your hands to Noim. Palmi. 21. Clap your hands to Palmi. Model. Aim. 6. Kauhong. 7. Okay, that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Song kadat. Goodbye, teacher. Bye bye ไม่เป็นไรไม่เป็นไร
เดี๋ยวนะคะ
Bon appetit Cheers
วันที่4วันนี้ที่เท่าไหร่
วันที่3
ยังไม่ได้เข้าเลย ต้องเข้า
STUไม่พอเดี๋ยวจะคืน25คนต่อคนของครูอะไรของผู้ปกครองอะไรด้วยเหรอให้ครูมาคนเดียวเหรอผู้ปกครองเนี่ยเข้าระบบไม่ได้มีสิ่งที่เขาบังคับให้ผู้ปกครองทำ
Ready? Give me your score, Pang Pond. 22. Time. 16. Nat. 31. Golf. 17. Atom. 16. August. 13. Sipsang. 30. 36. Po. 25. Owen. 24. Ted. 7. Om. 24. Kauk Long. 36. Pong. Ha? 21? Oh. Pong. Mix. 22. Absent. J. 7. Boss. 30. EQ. 32. Boogie. 12. Papang. 39. Janjo. 17. 15. Nacha. 13. Sipsam. Pat. 34. Aim. 25. Asia. 42. Clap your hands to Asia. Sherry. 27. Pin. 22. Ney. 39. Sorry. Ni. 15. Ja. Je. 30. Samsip. Loy. 20. 20. Plank. 29. Drew. Absent. Four wheel. 19. Gan. 22. Aim. 32. Okay, that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Pass all your papers. Asia got always the highest score.
Why it's not Anna completely? I answer that.
SSR. Special Super Rare.
Oh.
50 ba?
Thank you, mate. Next time.
I just forgot, we have a quiz.
Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Give me your score, EQ. 3. Monique. 6. Kun. 12. Pattern. 3. Boss. 15. Scene. May Scene. Nasa. 7. Ski. 8. Beam. 10. Jiangyu. O. U. 9. Cow. 8. Porsche. 19. Boom. 7. Ano na? 7. 11. Tam. 6. Bank. James. 23. As. 10. Om. 32. Very good. Mamie. 8. Kiwi. 25. Gaily. 8. Punim. 23. Chiryu. 32. Very good. Kauhong. 8. Net. 3. Tango. 29. Very good. Sukjai. 8. Melody. 21. Didi. 15. Okay, that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Our activity today is all about describing people. You need to write a short paragraph about your friend or your classmates. Chuegan. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Thank you, teacher. Bye. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Listen, everyone. Today, we will have a message relay activity. Keep all your phones inside your bag. Do not put your phones in your pockets. Place them inside your bag instead. How to do the activity? I need one leader in each group. I will give you one complete sentence. You will pass the sentence to your classmates by whispering through your ears one by one. Okay, I think you don't need side translation. Activity instructions. I will give you a complete sentence and you will pass the sentence to your classmates by whispering it into their ears one by one. The last person will immediately come to the front and tell the writers in the team what the complete sentence is. The writers will then write the sentence on the bond paper I provided. If you are going to pass the complete sentence through your team, you should be careful to speak in a low voice so that the other teams or your opponents cannot hear it. You need to lower your voice when passing the sentence so that the writers at the front also cannot hear it. This is important because if the writers at the front can hear the sentence, they will have a clue or hint about it, which would put your team at a disadvantage. Be sure to tell the correct spelling, correct capital letters in the sentence, correct punctuation marks that are used such as full stop, question mark, exclamatory, comma, apostrophe, period, etc. No full stop or period in the last sentence, it means 0 points. No correct punctuation marks, it means 0 points. Do not cheat, I will deduct the points of the group who are cheating. Do not use your phones, keep your phones inside your bag. Be sure to focus and take today's activity seriously, as the points or score you earn will be recorded accordingly. Score points, 3 points each to the group who got the correct sentence. Listen everyone, I'll tell you your scores. Group 3, 15 points. Siphakanan. Group 1, 18 points. Sipet Group 2, 21 points. Sipet Okay, that's it for today. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. And I'm home, home sweet home.